Let me tell you a real true story about a man called DJ Sudi. He is a scholar of music and poetry, and a great poet of the Indians' history. He is very patriotic, poet of his land. He loved his land, which called Germany. He accepted the German nationality, and the peoples loved him very deeply. He lives in the heart of Angers, which is the part of the new Weed City. He is very kind to the everyone and said kind words very thankfully. He lives forever in the heart of his fans. His life was fulfilled of love absolutely. Let me tell you a real true story about a man called DJ